In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to a contact in Pipedrive. Let's start right from the Pipedrive dashboard. Our goal is simple. Attach a phone number to an existing person so your team can call or text directly from the contact record. This is quick to do, and once you know where to click, you'll use it all the time. First, head to your contacts area. On the main navigation, open Contacts and then choose People. People is where individual contact records live, separate from company or organization profiles. If you keep a lot of contacts, this view helps you filter and find the right person quickly. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to jump straight to the contact you need. Next, open the contact you want to edit. Click the person's name to enter their profile. This page holds everything about that person: deals, activities, notes, and, of course, their details. Make sure you're on the Details panel so you can make updates without leaving the page. Now it's time to edit. You can click the pencil icon to switch the record into edit mode, or simply click directly into any field you want to change. Pipedrive supports inline editing, which means you can move through fields quickly without bouncing between windows. If you make a typo, don't worry, you can fix it before saving. Find the phone field in the contact details. Click into that field and type the phone number you want to add. You can include a country code if you work internationally, and it's a good idea to keep formatting consistent for clean reporting and easy dialing. If you see a label next to the number field, you can choose the type, such as mobile, work, or home, so teammates know which number to use. Need to store more than one? Click the plus, add phone option and enter the additional numbers the same way. Keeping multiple numbers organized here means you won't have to hunt through notes later. When you're done, save your changes. Depending on your setup, you might see a save button to confirm everything, or Pipedrive may autosave your edits as you go. If a save button is visible, click it to finalize. If it's autosaving, look for a brief confirmation or check mark to ensure your update has been recorded. That's it. The phone number is now part of the contact's profile, ready for calls, text, and activity tracking. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your CRM clean and up to date.